I'm Kyla.
And welcome back to the
Cardello Sisters.
Today we're right back at you guys with another baking set, except today we're going to be doing the
Real Cooking Deluxe Cookie Baking Set.
We're going to be using all the materials from the Ultimate Baking Set, but this one also comes with a rolling pin, the cookie guide, and the cookie tray, some cookie cutters, the cookie baking mix, and decorations.
The things you'll be needing from home is 1 tablespoon of butter and an egg.
Let's get baking! So we already put our cookie mix into the bowl.
And now I'm going to crack the egg. Did that tickle it? Okay, it did it. Okay.
Wow.
Very satisfying. Let me just put this there. And now I'm going to put this egg into the pink bowl.
Now I am going to whisk it up until it is a yellow, even.
And now I'm going to put, I need a spatula for this. I'm going to put in the butter.
The 1 tablespoon.
Of butter.
This
1 tablespoon of butter.
Is what the color should look like, this even yellow.
Oh, yes. And now,
I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon, or the green one.
Well, it's just 1 tablespoon.
Yes, of the egg.
So 1 of them? Okay. And now, there you go.
Now you're going to mix it together, and just for a little bit, and then you're going to want to start kneading.
If you haven't already, set your oven to 375 degrees.
After you've kneaded your dough, break it in half.
Pro tip, to prevent the dough from sticking to the surface, take some flour and sprinkle it on. I might have taken a little too much, I think that's good.
Then you're gonna wanna take 1/2 of your dough and put it just straight onto the surface, and with your palm, gently flatten it down, and take your rolling pin and start rolling it until it's as thick as the guide.
So we're gonna be making 3D cookies. So we're gonna be placing them on the sheet. So we need 3 big cookies cutters and 3 little cookie cutters. Little baby ones, like the adults and the children.
Now that we've put in all of our leftover scraps back into the bowl,
we will transfer the cookie tray onto the cookie sheet.
Do not put the cookie guide into the oven, it will melt.
Put the cookies in the oven for 6 to 4 minutes. Or 4 to 6, sorry.
So we just took our cookies out of the oven and gave them plenty of time to cool. They look so cute.
So we've already used this cookie set before. So we're gonna be using our own cookie frosting and sprinkles. So the cookie frosting we're gonna be using is Wilton's cookie icing. And the sprinkles that we're gonna be using is Wilton's sugar sprinkles.
Because we are making 3D cookies, we're going to put a little drop of the cookie icing onto the back of the smaller cookie and then glue it on in the center of our big cookie.
So it kind of looks like that, but just glued on.
Let's get decorating. So we just finished decorating. Now let's give them a taste test. I'm gonna try my cupcake.
I'm gonna try my cupcake. They're good. That's good.
They are really good. They're not too sweet.
Not too, well, whatever.
And it's very buttery.
Yeah, it's very
and
buttery.
delicious.
Yeah.
I would highly recommend them.
Yeah. I like how it's probably going to taste good with the other type of frosting that this comes with. But also this type of frosting comes with it too. Well, not comes with it, but well,
Tastes really good.
Tastes really good.
If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Also, if you want to see more of these, go check out our Real Cooking mini donut
baking set
video.
It was really good.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.